But to kind of go back to our practice members is we get to re-explain to them is, Ms. Jones, this is why you're on a plan, is so we can make it safe, make sure you're getting results. And this is why you went through a protocol when you got in here, is we're trying to rule those things out. If we're not getting results, we refer out, which that's where the risks come in, right? If you're doing the same thing with no results, you're increasing your risk.
Right.
And so by having a process is going to eliminate as much risk as possible and yield on the side of safety.